Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file business tax returns. First, let's prepare by gathering all your financial records, such as income and expense statements. Knowing your business entity type, like a sole proprietorship or corporation, is crucial as it determines the specific forms you will need. If you have employees, ensure you have your employer identification number, or EIN. Finally, understanding key tax deadlines is essential to avoid any penalties and ensure your submission is on time. Now, let's move on to calculating your income and deductions. Begin by accurately determining your gross income from all business operations. Next, carefully identify and categorize every eligible business expense. These can significantly reduce your taxable income. Remember to keep detailed records for every single transaction, as this documentation supports your claims if ever questioned. Always consult official tax guidelines for specific deduction limits and requirements to ensure compliance. With your calculations complete, it's time to tackle the tax forms. Select the correct Internal Revenue Service forms that correspond to your specific business structure. For example, a sole proprietor might use Schedule C, while a corporation uses Form 1120. Fill out each section carefully, ensuring all information is accurate and complete. Always review all entries for any potential errors before moving on to the final submission steps. For complex situations, consider using tax software or consulting a professional. Finally, it's time to file your return and establish good record-keeping habits. You can submit your completed tax return either electronically through approved software or by mailing paper forms. Be sure to pay any taxes owed by the specified deadline to avoid accruing interest and penalties. It is crucial to retain copies of all filed returns and supporting documents for at least 3 years or even longer. Regularly review your tax strategy annually to optimize future filings and ensure continued compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.